So in my last video, I tried the left hand art challenge and I was expecting it to be really ugly and messy drawing, but it didn't happen. It turned out quite well and even I was surprised. But this time, I am damn sure it's gonna be really ugly because this time we are gonna raise the bar of difficulty and it's gonna be the blindfold art challenge. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayush and in today's video I'll be doing the blindfold art challenge. Like I said, in my left hand drawing art challenge, it didn't turn out so ugly as I was expecting, but in this challenge I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really ugly. This time there is no chance that it's gonna turn out quite impressive or quite well. So I'm quite nervous and also a bit excited to do this challenge. And for today's drawing I will be drawing none other than Goku from Dragon Ball Z. It's not gonna be an easy one to draw, but I'm excited to see the results, how it's gonna turn out at the end. And for doing this challenge, I'll be using my 0.5 mechanical pencil and a plain paper. Okay, so rules for this challenge are pretty simple. I'm going to use a cloth to blindfold myself. And then I'll start sketching the Goku. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we'll start by blindfolding myself and see you at the other end of the video. Okay, done. The first part of the challenge is done. I have blindfolded myself. Now, where is the pencil? Yeah, got it. Here is the pencil. Here is the paper in front of me, and we are good to go. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is the paper, and this is the center of the paper, I'm guessing. Oh my god. Even before starting, I'm feeling like, how am I going to do this? This is going to be so difficult. Oh god. Okay, this is the center of the paper, and my hand is sweating already. It's so... Okay. Let's start by drawing his face line. So, like this. Oh my god. By drawing that first line, I came to know this is not a good idea. This is not a good idea at all. So this is... Okay, I'll keep my finger here so that I know where I started to use it as a guide. Chin, jaw, and the jaw, yeah. So if I started here, the forehead should be here, and I can draw his eyes starting from his eyebrows. Oh my god, I feel like I need a tutorial here. I make tutorials for you guys, but for the first time I need help here. Oh god, these are the what do you say, the wrinkles between his eyes and the second eyebrow. Oh god, this is going to be so... I can feel it. It's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. Okay, I've all lost the track already. Okay, so this is his left eye, the eyeball inside, and this would be his right eye, the eyeball inside. Oh god, I know I'm already sucking. I know. Okay, this is gonna be so embarrassing. Okay, the nose would be here. Nose is small, not so big, and just below it will be his mouth. Somewhat like this. Okay. So here was his... Yes. Okay, so this will be his forehead and some hair spikes, just like this. And oh god, I'm feeling so nervous right now. This will be his hair spikes above his forehead, and now his ears, just like this. I don't know what I'm doing. So his face, the inner features of his face should be ready by now. Where is my finger? Okay, here it is. Oh god. And now I'm starting to draw his what do you say, hair spikes. So I'm feeling like almost like crying. This is gonna suck so bad. Okay, so his neck now, his hair should be done by now. Okay. His neck, yeah. So I'm guessing his ear is somewhere here. So just below his ear will be his neck, like this, and below his chin would be his other side of neck, and some neck muscles like this. Oh god, this is so difficult, guys. It's way more difficult than what I imagined. How do other artists do this challenge? Oh god. Okay, so this is the neck, and this would be the neck muscles, lower neck muscles, which are then joined to the shoulder. Okay, I've lost track everywhere. I have lost track everywhere. What am I doing? I don't know. Okay, so guess I'm almost done. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. I think it should be ready. The face and his lower neck muscles still here, I guess. Yeah. So okay, let's just see how it is. Okay. Oh god, oh my god, this is so bad. Oh my god, did I just draw that? Oh god. Oh god, this is so ugly, this is so embarrassing. Oh my god. At least it looks somewhat like Goku's head, I guess. Oh my god, this is ear is so up, not even close to his like eyes and eyebrows and eyes. Okay, this is definitely this is definitely my worst, ugliest looking drawing I have ever done, but this was way more difficult than what I was imagining and what I expected, but it was still fun to do this challenge. Just after a few seconds of starting, I lost track of everything. Where am I drawing, where the eyes should be, or where the nose or other features should be. It was just like guessing. I was just placing the features by guessing, and this is the result. Some of his eyebrows look like Goku's eyebrows, but his eyes, I drew it above the eyebrows, so that's weird, I know. And his ears are bad, this side is bad, neck, and the lower neck part is, and here is his nose. I can't even see properly where is it. It's here, his nose is here, eyes are here, eyebrows are lower than the eyes, and then the mouth. Ear is very far from his face. Overall, it's a mess. It's a very weird and big mess. But I really enjoyed this doing this challenge, because the feeling which I was feeling before starting and the process, I really enjoyed this challenge. I think it was one of the most fun challenge I've ever done. Even if the drawing didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to be, but it still was really fun to do. And I hope even you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below about this mess which I did here right now. And also share which other art challenges you would like me to try in future. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome drawings, mess like these, tutorials, and more art challenges in future. Also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.